Every day, modern factories produce millions of frozen dumplings, using advanced automation, precision engineering, and This state-of-the-art frozen dumpling factory combines automation, precision manufacturing to produce premium frozen dumplings around the clock. Every frozen dumpling starts with premium flour, fresh vegetables, carefully selected seasonings, and high-quality filling ingredients. Computer-controlled weighing systems measure every ingredient with precision. This ensures perfectly consistent dumpling dough in every batch. Powerful industrial mixers combine premium ingredients to create smooth, elastic dumpling dough with perfect consistency.
The freshly mixed dumpling dough rests inside temperature-controlled chambers, allowing gluten to develop for stronger, smoother. The rested dumpling dough enters a high-speed sheeting machine, where precision rollers transform it into a perfectly smooth, continuous sheet.
Several calibrated rollers reduce the dough thickness step by step, creating flexible dumpling wrappers with perfect consistency.
A light coating of flour prevents the dumpling dough from sticking while maintaining a clean, smooth surface. Precision cutting dies create identical dumpling wrappers, ensuring every dumpling has the same size and shape. Fresh ingredients are blended into a flavorful dumpling filling, with carefully controlled texture and seasoning. Precision depositing nozzles place the exact amount of filling onto every dumpling wrapper for perfect consistency.
Advanced forming machines fold every dumpling wrapper around the filling with incredible speed and precision.
Each dumpling is carefully sealed to lock the filling inside before cooking and freezing. Artificial intelligence checks every dumpling for perfect shape, proper sealing, and consistent appearance. Every dumpling is automatically weighed to ensure uniform size and consistent product quality.
Alignment conveyors organize every dumpling into perfectly spaced rows for efficient steam cooking.
After forming and inspection, the dumplings move directly into the steam cooking tunnel, where the next stage of production begins. The freshly formed dumplings travel through a continuous steam tunnel, where carefully controlled heat cooks every dumpling evenly while After steaming, the cooked dumplings are rapidly cooled to stop the cooking process and preserve their texture.
Powerful filtered air removes excess moisture, preparing the dumplings for rapid individual freezing. Inside the IQF spiral freezer, every dumpling is frozen individually within minutes, locking in freshness and preventing them from sticking together.
Artificial intelligence inspects every frozen dumpling for shape, surface quality, and freezing consistency before packaging. Every frozen dumpling passes through advanced metal detection systems to guarantee maximum food safety.
Computer-controlled weighing systems create perfectly measured portions for every package of frozen dumplings.
Every package receives complete traceability information, allowing every frozen dumpling to be tracked from factory to customer. Premium frozen dumplings are vacuum sealed to protect freshness, flavor, and long-term storage quality.
High-speed robots organize frozen dumpling packages into shipping cartons with incredible speed and precision.
Industrial robots stack cartons of frozen dumplings into perfectly organized pallets, ready for cold storage.
The packaged frozen dumplings are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, preserving their quality until they are shipped to supermarkets around the world.
Premium frozen dumplings are carefully loaded into refrigerated trucks. Cold chain is maintained from the factory to supermarkets.
Temperature-controlled transportation keeps frozen dumplings at the ideal temperature throughout the entire delivery journey.
Regional distribution centers organize thousands of frozen dumpling packages. They deliver them to supermarkets nationwide.
Frozen dumplings arrive in supermarket freezer cabinets, ready for customers while remaining safely frozen until purchase. From carefully selected ingredients to advanced freezing technology, every premium frozen dumpling is crafted for outstanding quality, fresh.
Thank you for exploring how premium frozen dumplings are made. Subscribe to Mega Factory Universe and join us for more incredible journeys inside